Hi boys and girls, today is Wednesday, September 30th, 2020, and we are dealing with lesson 1.5 today. Your learning objective today says you will write two-digit numbers using words as tens and ones, as a two-digit number, and as the sum of their values of the tens and ones digit, which is like expanded form. Our essential question we're answering today are, what are different ways to write a two-digit number? Well, we're going to show you all those ways. We're going to do this one together. The directions say write the number, then write it as tens and ones. So I'm just going to make up a number, and let's use 25. Okay, whenever we write 25, we can say this is the tens place and this is the ones place. We spell the word two so that you don't get confused. Okay, which number is on the tens side? 2, so we have two tens. Which number is on the ones side? 5, so we have 5 ones. Okay, this one over here, I'm going to use the same number, 25, only instead of writing it in tens and ones, we're going to write it now in expanded form. We can separate our tens and ones again. Okay, when we're writing in expanded form, we're not telling how many tens we have first. We're telling what two tens is the same as. Two tens is equal to 20. Okay, because I have 10, 20. I have two tens and it equals 20. Okay, 5 ones is just the same as 5. So 25 written in expanded form is 20 plus 5. Moving on down here, I'm going to make up another number. I'm going to put it over here first. That way I can write it in tens and ones first and then write it in expanded form. Let's use 68. Okay, tens and ones. You don't have to write your tens and ones chart or your two chart. I just do so that I can see these are the tens and these are the ones. It may help you too. So how many tens do I have? 6. And how many ones do I have? 8. Okay, so then when we come over here and we write 68 in expanded form, we have 6 tens, which is the same as 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then 8 ones, which is just the same. Whoops, it needs to focus. There we go. As 8. Okay, moving on to the next page. That was page 37. We're changing now to page 38. Page 38 is a very important page to remember. You're going to have to look back at this in order to know how to spell these number words, okay? A number can be written in four different ways. Okay, this is word form, tens and ones, expanded form, and standard form, which is just how we write the number. Okay, they gave you these words. That way you could spell them and see how they were written. So you can use those whenever you come down here to answer these. Look at the examples above. That's what I circled. Then write the number in another way. You only have to write it in one more way. So 32. Well, it's written in word form. So I can write it in tens and ones. I can write it in expanded form or standard form. I'm going to go ahead and just write it in standard form. You can pick another way if you want. What is this one written as? It's in expanded form, so I'm going to write it in word form. $27. Okay, something else. Whenever you have two-digit numbers that are not one of the teens, okay, once we get into the 20s, like 27, 21, or if you have 31, you make this little line in between your two words. You write 20, the line, and the 7. That line is called a hyphen. Hyphen. Okay, I want you to do the rest on your own.